Let's take a look at how you can add a video to a slide. I'll click on the Insert tab and looking across the ribbon, I will find Video to the right of the screen. Clicking on this enables me to select from several options. I can add a video from a browser, a video from a file. I can add a stock video, or I can find a film to add from online. I will select to add a video from file. I prefer to store images or films I am going to use when making a project on my desktop. They are easier to access from here. I have 3 films. One of an eagle, one of a horse and one of a turtle. I'll select the horse and insert it onto my slide. Here it is. You will find all of the usual buttons across the bottom of the film. I'll play it. We can see it is a film of a horse galloping. It is easy to play and to stop the film. Most of us do this daily when we play online films, or we stream to our computer or smartphone. I will press Escape. Let's look at what we can do to change the appearance of this video. If I click on my video, I can choose from a number of different ways to frame my film. I can choose an oval frame. Perhaps a tilted square frame with a shadow might be a better option. Let's take a look if it is tilted in the other direction. I'll reset the video to its original appearance. I quite like this alternative, a frame with 2 rounded corners and 2 square. If I hold my option button down and I click on one of the white squares in one of the corners, I can amend the size of the film whilst maintaining its proportions. I might decide that I want to change the color of my frame. I want to change it from white to purple. I'll select the option for video border, click on the purple square. And I have now changed the border from white to purple. I quite like the purple frame, but I think blue would be a better choice. Our film is beginning to look stylish. Another thing I can do to change the way a video is presented is to use the options available in Video Effects. I can add a shadow, or perhaps a reflection might be a good choice. We can combine effects. There are several to choose from. Here, I'll retain the reflection I added earlier, and I will now add a glow to the video. Why not try some of these effects and combinations out for yourself? You might just be surprised at the effect you produce. Let's take a quick look at the options you have so that you can set playback for your video. If I click on playback, then start, by default, the first option is always shown as in click sequence. If I click on the arrow at the side of start, I can see that I have 3 options to choose from. As well as click in sequence, I can start the film automatically. Or I can choose to play the film when it is clicked on. If we play our film, I'm sure you will agree. It looks very good. Over to you. Let's see what you can do.
Brought to you by Evolution.